Welcome, guys, to another pesky bird. Pesky bird.
I'm not a pesky bird.
You always been.
No.
So this video is just us being rude to each other and ganking noobs. Okay, so go to your nether star, go to insane kits, and then get the potato so you can get the golem kit.
We're versing these kids. Okay, I'm gonna get that chest.
Okay, I got your plan. Oh my god, I'm Golem! Dude! I became Golem. What the heck? I thought I was champion.
Okay.
Golem is like kind of tryhardy, but not. You know what I mean?
No, I remember you got mad because everybody uses Golem.
Yeah, but you know, who cares? Who cares? Okay, look at dude. I'm stacked now. Oh, dude, these guys are noobs. Just loot. Just loot.
How do you know they're bad?
They're staying at their base. People don't
They're
do
probably not as bad as me though.
Dude, wait. Bridge to them. I have Golem. I'll just Golem on them.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god! We should just beat them now. Oh no, they have Golem. They have Golem. Never mind.
They do?
I mean, I have an idea.
Alright, I'm just gonna eat a gapple and rush.
Okay, I want you to rush on them. And I want you to distract them. They're gonna spawn a Golem. Good, get him.
Oh, I hit one off. Oh no, bro, I was so close to hitting them off.
Dude,
Come on,
these
you
guys,
got
look
it.
at this. See, this is why I mean about Golem. It doesn't prove no skill.
Just play another.
Okay, I'm picking champion because I accidentally had that on. I hope you guys like my survival series. Join my Discord, link in the description. Every video from now on, I'm putting my Discord in.
I have a Discord too.
Yeah, comrades. I don't know if you should join him. I don't know. Join him. Join him, guys. Well, I'm not. I'll put a link in the description for his Discord, okay? You're lonely and need some friends in a Discord? Yes. Okay. They're freaking Golem!
Of course.
Yep, they're Golem. He has enchanted. Really? Really?
I killed myself.
Really,
I'm done with
they're two
golems.
Golems. I hope you know
I
that.
killed myself. Just die. Don't give them the satisfaction they want of killing us with a golem. Just kill yourself.
No.
Okay. Alright. I killed myself.
Really? I felt. You really. Oh my god.
Wow.
This is dumb!
Why don't you just choose golem and we do what they're doing?
No, it's not. Okay, yeah, let's do this. Let's go! They want to play. Okay, so we have to do the same thing.
Yep.
We have the same kids. Don't
Alright.
die instead, though.
Yeah.
I know if you put lava on the golem's technically screwed. What? Oh, okay. Okay, you got the plan? You got the plan?
What? I didn't hear you. I wasn't listening.
If you put lava on the iron golem,
Okay.
it'll burn. Burning is that.
Alright, yeah, I did get a lava bucket. That is probably a good idea.
I'm gonna get a fire resistance. By the way, they're the same kit. They're the same kit. Were you trying to kill me?
No. Alright, if we could get bro, he's trying to fishing rod me. I could do that too, buddy. Throw it over, come on. Watch out. You hear their dog?
They're both golem. I hope you know that.
Okay, we just have to burn them.
Yeah. Or I could snipe. Oh, do you have flint and steel? I can bomb them.
I do. Yes.
Yes! Kill their golem!
Kill him!
Stupid, they're so stupid!
Get lit on fire!
No, I died! You got this.
No! I want a rematch.
No, we can't.
Dang it.
Oh my god, why are people so bad like that? I don't understand.
Hey,
Max, one
we.
of them are gonna use Golem. You pick Golem too, okay? It's
You're
good.
trash.
Champion and Golem are both good.
No, you're just really bad.
Me?
No, they are.
Okay, I know like every map and like how to get to mid. Okay, I'm pretty sure they're camping too. Dude, I'm done with campers, like literally. I can't deal with them.
It's kind of funny.
Yes! It's a Golem! And he's a sweat.
Wow.
Oh my god! Okay, I got lava buckets. Here, you take one.
Alright.
I'm gonna make this video. Dude, he literally put his Golem over there. Retards.
Hit him off, hit him off.
No, it won't die. It'll just come back.
I know. I just want to hit him off.
Dude, if they come towards us.
Alright, lava. We gotta lava him. Alright, just jump and throw your lava bucket down. I think that's the strat. Yep, now pick up your lava and now run back, run back. Go get your lava back, get your lava back. I'll shoot him with my bow. I see like that. I hit him with my bow.
They have another Golem, by the way.
Oh my.
Kill it still. Nice.
You got one?
Okay, they have
Look,
another
they
one.
lit themselves on fire.
No, they have another one.
Alright, I'm gonna light them up. Alright, I fell off.
They're so bad! I don't understand why people do that!
That was a strat though. We came close.
They're so bad! Like, honestly, why don't they delete that kit? It's like, it doesn't even, Skywars Duels isn't even fun anymore because of that kit.
And you're probably gonna choose the same thing.
I gotta send this to Hypixel. Like, literally. This game mode isn't fun anymore. Like, it's all Golem now. Like, why doesn't people have some variety? Okay, one's not Golem. That's a good thing. Good sign.
Wait, they're not?
One is not.
Oh.
Oh yeah, he's an actual player now. Dude, finally we got an actual player.
It's like we start doing Golem.
Oh my god, no. We can't. I don't support that crap. Get him in lava, get him in lava. Oh no, you got in lava.
Got me in lava. It's fine, I got water.
I don't got.
Alright, I gotta heal. I hit him for a lot.
I got him in.
Alright.
He's gonna die.
Yo, I got water.
Okay. Nice.
Let's go. See, whenever people are actually playing.
Need 16 more wins and then I become gold 4. And then I'll have 400 wins.
Alright,
I
play
have
again.
380 something.
I was just stuck in the ground. Wait, why am I back in the lobby?
Every time you win, you go back in the lobby.
Oh.
Unless I was clicking. Oh my god, these are so. They have the same skin. They're in voice chat.
So are we, so it's fine.
Okay. The plan is lava, right? Oh, you should probably pick Pyro Kit because it actually is really good for burning. It's a really good counter.
Lava bucket.
Okay, do you have blocks?
Yeah.
Then, dude, start going.
I have like 2 stacks of blocks.
Okay, go, start going. Dude, oh my god, they're going.
Right.
They're going!
Alright, I got lava.
Okay, I did a little bit damage. You're the only person we have.
Me? That's a lot of pressure. Oh, he's goleming.
Wow, they're so
Wow.
bad.
Wow.
Honestly.
Wow. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh my god. Wow.
Dude, that.
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay, okay. Rush. Rush this time. Once you get blocked, you rush. Okay?
Okay,
Yeah.
that's the strat.
That's always the strat. Everyone does that.
Alright, I got blocks.
Okay, rush. I got lava. Okay, they're coming. They're coming. Hey, watch.
Oh my. Bro, the iron golems. They need to get rid of that. Come on.
Got one.
Nice. Heal. Come on. Get this clutch. Come on.
Bye.
Oh my god. Just try and run past it. Maybe you could do a little parkour over it.
No, I'm not doing that.
I'm just gonna say wow. I don't even know how to spell original.
Original.
He's building up to you. Get ready to hit him.
It's so funny how people on that kit.
Oh, they're jumping up on you. Yeah, just. Alright, turn around. And fight them now. Turn around! Or not.
Wow, dude. Wow. Nice skill, dude. Nice skill. This is... I don't find... Dude, I don't find this fun anymore. That's all people do now. They're just... They have zero skill. They can't fight for themselves.
No, I'm choosing hound. I'm gonna have a dog.
No. Do
absolutely
pyro.
no reason.
Do the pyro, because then you'll be like a lava boy.
Sorry, I just want a dog.
Or you should pick Golem, just annoy the crap out of them. I mean...
Do you hear my dog? Isn't that funny?
Yeah, he's like, Oh my god! It's another... Stop! Why? Why? Get good! Honestly! Wow, they're cheating your dog. They're so good.
Watch out. Alright, our best bet is to just PvP.
No, it's not. She's gonna spawn in her stupid golem.
They don't have a golem, do they?
Look at her leggings. Her boots.
Oh.
They have leather boots that are cyan. That means they're golem. Hey, nice bow spam. Nice bow spam. Sophie, sad. You better be sad, kid. What the? Nice.
Nice. Oh, you got that. Come on, it's like 50-50.
It's a...
He's on 1 HP! He was on 1 HP! Oh my god.
Dude, this game isn't fun anymore.
Just pyro.
Yeah, pick
Alright,
pyro.
I chose pyro. I did pyromaniac or whatever it's called.
Yeah, you have 2 lava buckets.
Alright.
Okay, I'll rush.
And I'll stay back? What?
No, I'll rush mid.
Maybe I should grab a water bucket so I don't die. So,
You have a fire resistance.
oh, I'm gonna splash that.
I think there are
on both
actual
of us.
players.
Come back, I'm gonna splash it. Watch out!
Oh no, they're good! Oh my god, he's good! I think he's
I got him
hacking.
lava. I'm about to kill one. One of them's at HP.
Dude, they're hacking!
They are.
Wow!
Here, just hit play again.
Can this be the last game of this stupid game? Literally, everyone's choosing pyro. Dude, I can't deal with this anymore. You can't play this without depending on a golem. I don't even know why they added kittens to this game. It just makes life wanting die, okay? Dude,
Yep.
rush.
Come with me.
You die.
So dead?
Really? I depended on you.
What? Okay. I don't know. Nice. Probably not.
Through what snowball?
Like, I don't know, it's clean to you.
Mm,
Maybe like a can or two.
oh my god, it's a FNAF skin!
Okay.
Oh wow, it's a FNAF skin. I haven't seen those in like a really long time. I used to wear FNAF skins. Oh,
Alright, I'm rushing.
honestly, when that game died, it's so dead right now. You know FNAF is so dead. How long is this video? 16 minutes of us just slaying?
How long has it been? 15 minutes?
Yeah. 15 minutes saves you car insurance.
God, wrong thing, wrong thing!
These guys are good! He's good! Oh my god, it's Pyro too. At least they're actual players, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, bye guys! Hang on, I have to go clean my room.
Okay, while he cleans his room, I am going to end this video off. I hope you guys understand to stop using Golem Kit because it is overrated and it has no skill. So please don't use that skin. Thank you guys for watching the video. Like and subscribe. Bye.